Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to Uber with a rental car. Let's go. Open uber.com. Driver. Create Uber driver account. Get a car. View rental options. Enter your city. Select offer. Sign in to book. After booking, the car will be added to your Uber driver account. Now you know how to Uber with a rental car. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.